Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and in this video we are going to discuss about the data types in Python. In any programming language, the data type is an important concept as the variables can store different data types, and with this different data type we can perform different type of things. In Python, data types are used to define the type of a variable. It defines what type of data we are going to store in a particular variable. The data stored in memory can be of many type. For example, it can be an employee or a person name that we store as a string. We can store his or her age as a numeric value, and we can also store their address in alphanumeric characters. So in Python, variables can hold values and every value has a specific data type. Python is a dynamically typed language, hence we do not need to define the type of variable while we are declaring it. The Python interpreter implicitly binds the value with its type. For example, if we declare a variable current year and keep the value 2024, let's declare a variable current year and we put the value as 2024. This variable current year holds the integer value 2024 and we do not define its type. Python interpreter automatically interpreted the variable as an integer type. So if I print this current year, you will see that we are getting 2024, and if we print type of current year, we'll see class is int. So Python enable us to check the type of variable used in the program. Python provide us the type function which returns the type of a variable passed. So if we see what are different type of data types that in Python has, we have different type of data types such as numeric. With this numeric we have three different data type: integer, complex number, float. Then we have dictionary, which is a mapping type of data type. Then we have Boolean data type, which always has two values, either true or false. Then we have set, and we have a sequence type. Within this sequence type, we have three different data types. We have string, list, and tuple. So let's consider a simple example to define the values of different data type and check its value. Okay, so we'll start with a very simple example. Let's say that we have our current year 2025, which is numeric, right? Now if I want to save my name, or let's say that we want to save employee name, right? So let's say we are saying employee underscore name is equal to Atul. Okay, now if I'm printing this employee underscore name, and then if I print type of this employee underscore name, you'll see that this employee name would be printed and the type would be printed as string. Let's run it. So we have employee name. Okay, let me remove this underscore and again run it. So we have employee name as Atul and class is string. Now if I want to, let's say, save the address. Okay, so employee underscore address equal to, let's say, 75th street, comma, unknown location, comma, specific country. Okay, same thing if I print this employee address, and the type of this employee address will get string only, right? So with this example we have seen that we can declare variable and save different type of data, and we can check its type. And in our next video, we are going to discuss about the numeric data type in Python, where we will be checking each and every different type of this numeric data type, that is integer, complex, and float. And we'll also see different example that how we can declare an integer variable, how we can use complex number, or how we can use float in our program. Happy learning and see you in the next video.